Hey, thanks for volunteering for Regional Animal Services of King County, RASK. It's important that you be a reliable presence on your shifts, but we know that you'll need to be absent sometimes. So this video will demonstrate what to do, both for regular absences and for short notice absences. Now we ask for everyone who will be absent from a scheduled shift to mark it on the calendar in your online record. There are 4 steps to doing this. First of all, access your online record. Go to www.kingcounty.gov/raskvolunteer and you'll see a photograph or photographs of various volunteers, and to the right of that there's quick links, and just underneath that is the volunteer login. Click there. Okay, and then it asks for your login name, and that is the email address that you gave Regional Animal Services. And everybody starts with the same password. That's capital letters RASKC, all capitalized. And then when you enter into the system, it will ask you to create your very own password with letters and numbers. We won't know what it is. Okay. And then your screen comes up. So the next step, the second step, is to click on My Schedule or check your schedule. The third step is to click on the date that you need to be absent. Let's say I'm a dog walker and I need to be gone on February 3rd. I just click on February 3rd and there is a green rectangle that says Remove Me. I would click that. Okay, this is the case if you have we're working from a personal computer. If you're accessing the internet from a tablet or a cell phone, it might look a little bit different, but just go to your menu where it says self-schedule, and the process is very similar. Okay, so when you click on Remove Me, an email is automatically sent to your team's leaders. Now, if your absence is short notice, that is less than 48 hours or less than 2 days from your shift, then it's also very important that you do at least one more thing, and that is text or telephone your team's leader or scheduler right away. We'd like it if you let us know what's going on, but it's important to text or call as soon as you know, because an email is so easy to overlook. And if you have a shift mate, contact them to let them know that you have a short notification absence. And if you belong to a team that has an email group, send a message to your entire team that says you need to be absent and ask for a fill-in. Be sure to indicate the day and time of your shift that you need to be gone. Short notification absences are sometimes kind of stressful to fill, so we ask that you give as much advance possible whenever possible on your online record. Thanks, and thanks for volunteering.